Good afternoon, students.
और पार्ट टाइम टीचर है तो टीचिंग मेरी हॉबी है इसके लिए मैं पढ़ाती हूँ।
Good afternoon, students. Now we will start.
उनकी बैठ के लिए
Welcome to Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges. Hello and good afternoon, students. We will start with the subject of EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. We will continue with the same lesson. Lesson number 5. Water, water everywhere. We will continue with the same lesson. Which lesson? Water, water everywhere. Lesson number 5. Water, water everywhere. Children, in the previous lecture, we have learned about sources of water. What we have learned? We have learned about sources of water. We all get water from different sources. Where we get water? We all get water from different sources.
लॉ में आ जाएगी।
Now children, we know that the main source of water is rain. The main source of water is rain. The water from the rain is called rainwater. Means what? The water which we get from the rain is called what? Is called rainwater. The water from the rain is called rainwater. We have learned that the rainwater, where it goes, the rainwater goes to ponds, rivers, lakes, wells, streams, and waterfalls. Where does rainwater goes? It goes to ponds, rivers, lakes, wells, streams, and waterfalls. And what they are called? They are called water bodies. Means these are called water bodies. Some other water bodies are seas and ocean, which we have learned before. Some other water bodies are what? They are seas and oceans. They are huge. They contain a large amount of water. So some other water bodies are seas and ocean, and they are huge and they contain a large amount of water. Now all water bodies are sources of water for living beings. Means the water bodies are sources of water for living things. Trees get water from rain. How do trees get water? The trees get water from rain. Animals get water from river, ponds, lakes, streams and waterfalls. So animals, they get water from where? They get water from rivers, ponds, lakes, streams and waterfalls. And we get water from where? We get water from wells, rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls. Means where do we get water from? We get water from wells, rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls. Water from these sources come through the taps and pipelines in our houses. In our houses, how does the water come? The water comes from these sources. It comes through taps and the water and the comes through taps and pipelines in our houses. Children, today what we will learn? We will learn about types of water sources. What today we will learn? We will learn about the types of water sources. Children, we have seen many sources of water. Now, sources of water are of two types. Sources of water are of how many types? They are of two types. First, natural source, and second is man-made source. So, sources of water are of how many types? Two types. First is natural source, and second is man-made source. So, these are sources of water. They are of two types. You should know that first is natural source and second is man-made source. Now we will learn about natural source. Natural sources: rain, pond, ocean, spring, river, lake, sea, waterfall. So what they are all natural sources. Natural sources: rain, pond, ocean, spring, river, lake, sea, waterfall. They are natural sources. Now children, see the picture of the rain. Picture of river. Picture of pond. These are all natural sources. Next picture. These are all natural sources. Next picture. Picture of seas and ocean. All pictures are there. Next picture. Picture of ocean. These are all natural sources. Picture of spring. Water spring, spring. Picture of waterfall. So these are all natural sources. Natural sources: rain, pond, ocean, spring, river, lake, sea, waterfall. Picture of waterfall. Now, man-made sources. Man-made or artificial sources. So we will learn about man-made sources. It is also called artificial sources also. Now, man-made or artificial sources are well, borewell, tube well. What are the man-made sources or artificial sources? Well, borewell, tube well. Now, children, this is the picture of well. It is a man-made or artificial sources. Next picture. This is the picture of borewell. Borewell. So this is also a man-made or artificial sources. Borewell. Some rainwater flows into the rivers and streams. Means some rainwater, where it flows into the rivers and streams. The water from the river goes to the seas and oceans. The water from the river, where it goes to the seas and oceans. Some rainwater collects over the ground to form lakes and ponds. With some rainwater it collects over the ground to form what? To form lakes and ponds. With some rainwater collects over the ground to form what? To form lakes and ponds. Some rainwater goes under the ground. So that is called groundwater. With some rainwater, where does it goes? It goes under the ground as groundwater. So if I'll ask you, some rainwater goes under the ground as groundwater. Sometimes it comes out in the form of water springs. How does it comes out? It comes out in the form of water spring. What we have learned, some rainwater it collects over the ground to form lakes and ponds, and some water goes under the ground as groundwater. Now sometimes it comes out in the form of water springs. Now this is the picture of spring, water spring. Picture of water spring. Means sometimes the water it comes out in the form of water springs. So this is the picture of water spring. Now to use the water stored under the ground, what do we dig? We dig wells, bore wells and tube wells. Now, now to use the water stored means the water which is stored under the ground. For that what we do? We dig wells, bore wells and tube wells. Now children, you have understood to use the water which is stored under the ground. For that we dig, what we dig? We dig wells, bore wells and tube wells. Now children, this is the picture of well. Means to use the water stored under the ground, we dig wells. So this is the picture of well. This is the picture of well. W is double L. Next picture. Picture of bore well or tube well. This is the picture of bore well or tube well. Now children, word wall. You can repeat the words with me and as a practice you can write in your notebook. First word is sources. 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 Next word, natural. Today we have learned about natural sources. Natural. 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 We have learned today about also artificial. 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 Today what we have learned? We will learn about natural, artificial or man-made sources. Man-made. M-A-N, man. M-A-D-E, made. M-A-N, M-A-D-E, man-made. Sources. What words today we have learned? Sources, natural, artificial, man-made. Next word, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Next word, well. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-double-L, well. Borewell. B-O-R-E, bore. W-E-L-L, well. Borewell. B-O-R-E-W-E-L-L, borewell. Tubewell. T-U-B-E, tube. W-E-L-L, well. Tubewell. Tubewell, tubewell. So what are the words which we have learned? Spring, well, borewell, tubewell. Next word, rain water. R-A-I-N, rain. W-A-T-E-R, water. Rain water. R-A-I-N W-A-T-E-R, rain water. Collects. C-O-double-L-E-C-T-S, collects. C-O-double-L-E-C-T-S, collects. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Groundwater. Today we have learned about groundwater. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. W-A-T-E-R, water. Groundwater. G-R-O-U-N-D W-A-T-E-R, groundwater. So today the words we have learned: rainwater, collects, ground, groundwater. So children, today we have learned about types of water. Types of water sources. Which are they? Natural and man-made. Man-made is also called artificial sources. So today what we have learned? We have learned about the types of water. Types of water sources. Which are they? Natural sources and man-made or artificial sources. Now children, I will tell you the words. You write and send me in the chat box. Now children, write the word of rain. Now write the spelling of rain. R-E-I-N. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Rain. R-A-I-N. Good. Now children, next word. Water. Next word is water. Very good. W-A-T-E-R. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. W-A-T-E-R. Very good. Water. Now children, next word, trees. Next word is trees. Very good. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Very good. All are giving correct answer. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. If I say trees means S should come. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Very good. Now children, next word is taps. Next word is taps. Taps, in the taps S would come. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Taps. T-A-P-S. Very good. T-A-P-S. Taps. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Very good. Now children, next word, well. Next word is well. Very good. W-E-double-L. Very good. W-E-double-L. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very, very good. Very good. Next. Now children, next word is pond. I've shown you the pictures. Very good. P-O-N-D. Very good. P-O-N-D. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Very good. Now children, next word, lake. Next word is lake. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Yes, very good. L-A-K-E. Very good. L-A-K-E. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Next, now children, next word, waterfall. Next word is waterfall. Very good. All are giving correct answer. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Then fall. F-A-double-L. So we will say as waterfall. First we will write water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Then we will write fall. F-A-L-L. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Very good. Now, children, next word. Sea. Sea. I've shown you the pictures. Sea. Very good. S-E-A. If I say sea, so S-E-A should come. And if I say seas, S-E-A-S should come. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Very good. S-E-A-S. Yes, very good. Now children, next word, ocean. Ocean. Next word, ocean. Very good. O-C-E-A-N. Very good. O-C-E-A-N. Very good. All are giving correct. Good answer. Very good. Good response. Very good. Very good. Okay, children. Bye. Have a good day. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can message me. No? Very good. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good response.